Alpilean Review: the 6 superfoods ingredients that make up the Alpilean formula for weight loss. 1. Golden algae. Lately, there has been a developing interest in this brilliant green growth. This verdant green is by and largely found growing naturally in the fresh water of lakes and streams. Furthermore, it is notable for being high in dietary benefit. The brilliant green growth can likewise possibly support weight reduction. It can manage digestion. Besides, it can uphold sound body composition. 2. Deca nut. Deca nut is local to West Africa, particularly in Cameroon and Nigeria. It additionally goes by the names African mango and Avingia gabonensis. Those 2 names are tracked down to being a portion of the more well-known weight reduction pills accessible on the market. Regardless, the fundamental feature of the deca nut is that it contains different supplements, including cell reinforcements, minerals, and nutrients. It is additionally high in fiber. 3. Drumstick tree leaf. Also called the moringa tree leaf, the drumstick tree is profoundly esteemed. It is local to the sub-Himalayan districts of India. Also, the leaves of the trees are found to be full of supplements. It is known to be forming a foundation in common medications. It also offers different medical advantages and contains other nutrients like vitamins A and C, iron, calcium mixtures, and cell reinforcements. 4. Bigarade orange. Local to Portugal and Spain, bigarade orange is otherwise called Seville orange. It is a citrus natural product known for having an unpleasant, sharp, and acidic taste. Bigarade orange is loaded with minerals, antioxidants, and vitamins. This property alone makes it an improvement to diet. Also, it is an excellent source of vitamin C and dietary fiber. So, it does help support the immune system, digestion, and heart. 5. Turmeric rhizome. Part of the ginger family, turmeric rhizome is broadly utilized as a flavor for cooking. It is extremely predominant in Middle Eastern and South Asian foods. This ingredient has a somewhat bitter taste yet warm flavor, which can improve the flavor of a lot of dishes. Regardless, turmeric rhizome is likewise known for offering lots of potential medical advantages. Its active ingredient, curcumin, is recognized for having anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and other health-promoting properties. 6. Ginger rhizome. You presumably have had ginger in food. It is remembered for some recipes. It carries a remarkable flavor and intensity to the general profile. Yet, the few have any idea that ginger is known for its numerous medical advantages. Indeed, its one-of-a-kind arrangement of properties can upgrade. Thank you for watching. Please click the link below to go the Alpilean website and get your free promotional product while the offer still stands.